Hello ladies and gentlemen, we will be analyzing the silver prices in the chart today. As you can see, very recently prices increased substantially, right? It right now is kissing underneath this position around 73 and almost $74 the troy ounce. And this outcome is related with this figure here corresponding to the ascending triangle. Let me change its color so we can see it. Yeah, let me put it in dark gray. So what I'll be doing is that I will be deleting all the secondary trend because the movement done by the prices have changed the pattern of this bullish channel. So I'll be deleting it so we can have a much more. Yes, this is something that I like to do during the technical analysis. We are using many indicators, so sometimes the best thing is to reduce part of the things in our framework so that we can establish the most important points in the chart. And this is the reason why I'm just deleting the secondary trend. What is important here was this figure pattern here corresponding to the triangle ascending, right? So for the ascending triangle, we have the breakout point here around $55, and the lowest point of this ascending triangle was around $45. So amplitude of this triangle, which corresponds to its height, is a. So what do we do? Just let us check here the breakout point around 55. So we take the height of this triangle, which is equals to 10, and we do 55 plus 10, which is the high of the triangle. So we have our target prices. So the target price for this ascending triangle breakout is around 65. So 65 is much lower than 75. And this is the reason why I'm considering that we are pretty much on an overbuying arrangement here. We can observe that both the stochastic oscillator and the relative strength index are navigating here in an overbuying position, and we have overcome our target price around 65. We are right now kissing underneath around 75, and we are pretty much on a selling trend. And so if prices bounces off this resistance here and reverses downward to 77, we have an important support here corresponding to the Fibonacci retracement. And if it breaks through and goes downward $48 the troy ounce, we have another entry point here. Okay, so I let you guys some seconds so you can take your shots. And if you have any questions about those breakout points, do not hesitate to reach out. So summarizing what we are telling here, we have a take profits point around $75 and the two entry points, one around 57 and another one around $48 the troy ounce. Okay, thank you very much everybody. See you.